Control Chicago 5405 Victor, we are not fully engaged with this SR flight.
5405 Victor Squawk 5341. Air 119, climb maintain 15,000.
15,000 here, 119.
Atomic approach, Cherokee 38657 outside Willigate, requesting SFR squawk.
Departure Southwest 330.
Hopefully, 30 Sims.
Via the Foxville.
Southwest 330, Potomac departure, radar contact.
Roger.
Calling for SFRA, standby.
Potomac 5215 Echo Gate, this is Bergen Tide, would like to cancel IFR, sir.
15 Echo IFR cancellation is received. Maintain VFR and stay on your code. I'm going to hold on to you for a minute and then I'll switch over here, probably about 5 miles or so.
Keeping the code and IFR cancellation received, staying with you, 5215 Echo.
Southwest 1035, Potomac 1895, see it. 5405 Victor on course outside of Bravo, and on 10 there's 3010.
Outside of the
Thank you for the trend.
3010, thank you.
Yeah.
Air 119, contact Washington Center 125.45, see it. Air 119, contact Washington Center 125.45.
2545 here, 119.
Blue Street 5357, turn right direct Stellan.
Still nice.
Right, direct Stellan, 3353.
Alternator 2.
And was that a 251 Whiskey Foxtrot looking for the SFR? November 38657, squawk 4667, 4667, remain outside the SFRA.
Squawk 4667, remain outside SFRA.
November 241 Tango Mike, squawk 5305, 5305. November 38657, transponder observed, proceed on course outside the Bravo, Baltimore altimeter 3011.
241 Tango Mike 5305. 11, Cherokee 38657, thank you.
Departure 133.85, 3385.